Hi everyone, I'm Jason. I'm so excited to introduce one of our most innovative and practical solutions for modern gates, the aluminum cantilever sliding gate for you. Whether you are looking to enhance your security, improve functionality, or simply upgrade the look of your property, this type of gate is a fantastic choice. Stay tuned as we dive into its features, designs, and why it's a must-have for your property. Let's start with the basics. The aluminum cantilever sliding gate is a type of gate that operates on a sliding mechanism without requiring a ground check. It floats above the ground, supported by a cantilever system with rollers ensuring smooth and efficient operations. The gate body is made from high-quality aluminum, a material known for its lightweight and properties and incredible durability. The gate body is constructed entirely from high-grade aluminum alloy, making it lightweight yet strong. Aluminum is naturally rust-resistant, ensuring the gate remains in pristine condition even in harsh environments. The frame of the gate is reinforced stability, preventing warping or bending over time. Inside the frame, the panels can be customized with different designs, such as horizontal or vertical slats, lower or solid panels, depending on your preference. The surface is treated with advanced powder coating technology, giving the gate a smooth, high-quality finish that resists scratches, fading, and corrosion. You can choose from a wide range of colors to match your property style. Whether you prefer sleek black, elegant gray, or classic white, the options are endless. The gate body can feature as decorative patterns, perforated panels, or minimalist lines, offering a variety of aesthetic options. For a modern look, the clean horizontal slats are a popular choice, while traditional homes might opt for ornament and embellishment.